Subscribe now. Apple has recently confirmed that they have been deliberately slowing down older iPhones in an attempt to improve performance. Certain models including the iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, iPhone SE, iPhone 7, more to come in the future, run into trouble when the iPhone tries to draw power from the battery in order to run the phone's processor. If the battery in the phone is in a poor condition, this could cause the phone to shut down, as it can't safely supply the power to the phone's hardware. How to tell if Apple is slowing down my iPhone? First, check your iOS version. These changes first came in for the iPhone 6, iPhone 6s and iPhone SE with iOS 10.2.1. For the iPhone 7, the changes came in with iOS 11.2. You can double-check the version of iOS you're currently running by going into Settings, General, and click About. Second, check the status of your battery. The health of your battery will dictate whether you'll be impacted by these changes or not. Batteries will be less effective the more they are used. So if you've had your battery for a few years, it's more than likely going to be affected. To get an idea of your battery's health, go into the App Store and download Battery Life Doctor. Fire up the app, and go to the details on battery life. The following will rate the performance of your battery, as well as give you an impression of its wear level. That's all you can do to improve your iPhone performance.